Man, you already heard Social Security is running out. What they're not telling you is when. They're going to run out around about 2034, giving you about 12, 13 years to play with, right? But as the reports say, and I'll put all the links in there so you can follow it at your will, at your leisure, that Social Security is going to start running out, but it is the surplus that they pay out for Social Security. So Social Security is not necessarily going to run out as much as the benefits are going to start to go down. You're going to see numbers around 78% and 80%, which really doesn't help. If the average rent now is $1,400 plus, what can we do with Social Security benefits going down? Inflation is still a real thing. Taxes are trying to go up. What can we do with Social Security going down? And money losing half its value every 30 years. If you call part one, you would know this. See, the problem is we were not understanding why Social Security is failing. And if you know me, I talked about this years ago. First things first, Reaganomics. Back in 1983, President Ronald Reagan thought it was genius to drop the taxes on the rich. It led to a short-term boom, but here we are now. Now, I mentioned that to say this. The trickle effect became a thing, and it has never worked. The rich spending their money have never made it to the poor. Reaganomics was one of the biggest mistakes in financial history. That's why our wealth gap is so bad. $1,400 for rent, you need to make somewhere between like $35 and $37 to actually be able to afford it comfortably. That's pathetic. Because
I organize everything I do's revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study